rushing around. I didn't have time to do anything, so we just gave up, shooting from the hip. And so, in the spirit of shooting from the hip, that song I just sang was for my wife. My wife is actually here, taking care of the two, you know, the kids running around in front and the ones you like slap and like, stop running around. That's my kids. Yeah. So, and don't worry, I'm gonna slap them later. But for now, I'd like to see if I can call up my wife up to dance. She's a hula. That's right, she's also a doctor, she has her EED, so she's an accomplished Hawaiian woman over here. I, on the other hand, am wonderful arm candy. Okay, what would you like to do? Okay. Shoots, guys. Alright, she's gonna do this on another classic hula song written many, many years ago. You guys know Makee Ailana Park, yeah? That huge park in the Waikiki area. So, many, many years ago, that's actually a man-made park. Naturally, it's kind of a swampy, marshy area, and there were many, many islands kind of situated throughout that marshy area, connected by footbridges. And often on a beautiful Saturday, just like today, couples would walk over the island, they'd walk over the bridges, and they would kind of just relax on the island and talk about politics. I don't know, whatever. And whatever they were talking about, they were enjoying each other's company. This song captures that time, that moment, that emotion. Song entitled Makee Ailana. Makee Ailana, te aloha, aina i kaleu, e uo ke kai. Makee Ailana, te aloha, aina i kaleu, e uo ke kai. E lua e kolu, no makolu. Makee